Hi and welcome. My name is Jeffrey Lardy. I'm in charge of the sales here at A&M Manufacturing. We're located in Florida, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful 43-foot double-decker. It's one of our new model on the jumbo hull. So it has a freeboard of about 4 feet. Going right towards the stern here, you'll see the upgrade for the Yamaha. We rig usually standard Suzuki. This particular client wanted the Yamahas at the stern, 200 on each side, mounted on jack plates. As you can see, we're using white solid panels. You'll also see right there the rescue ladder that's on the starboard side. Very nice line throughout the boat. I wish this boat could have been on the water to show you better. Up on board at the bow, you'll find a windlass and anchor with the anchor locker access right there, and the control also right on deck. Moving in, you'll see the gate has a clear cover. You'll also get a nice cushion package on all the seats. This is all white. We have all different styles of finish that you can pick from. Storage inside the seats throughout, and the seats are also not flush on deck. They're a little bit off like this. You can easily clean and maintain them. You have a water fill right there for your water tank underneath. And throughout the boat, you'll see some of those universal mounts. Those are to put tables or any kind of accessories. They're just flush to the deck, but you can set up the boat as you seem fit if you want tables, extra seating, a DJ table, or there's a whole bunch of accessories you can purchase aftermarket. This boat comes with a GL audio package, so that's 8 speakers on the main deck with a large subwoofer. We also have those little LED lights throughout. They turn colors, white, red. Nice bar with storage behind. We also have an inverter on this boat, so we have 110. The rescue ladder is right here on the starboard side. Hidden inside again, some of those seats you'll find are gas tanks, 50 gallon on each side. This is our bathroom enclosure. They're finishing it up, but you'll have a sink with a head. And again, this is a gravity fed head, so the waste tank is directly underneath it. And to access it, you have this little hatch right there in order to access it. And behind, you also have the water pump, so all the mess is inside this. Now, right behind it, this is the electrical locker. We have our inverter, GL audio, all the LED lights, controllers, all your switches, your fuses, AGM batteries. All this comes with the boat, and it's all nicely tucked away in this. Plenty of space to access it and to maintain it. Now they're going to finish it up and make it look all nice, but as you can see, you even have a little light in there. There's scuppers throughout the boat, so when you're washing the boat, all the water has somewhere to go and drain. Little hatches at the stern on either side of the boat. This will access your mounting of the engine brackets on the side. Port side on the main deck, you'll find this little storage unit right there with 2 little doors, some more electrical plugs, and a gate right here to go to the stern platform with low lights throughout. As well, we mounted some Garmin security cameras throughout the boat, so the captain from the second deck has a way of looking at what's happening on the main deck. This is our stern platform, nice and wide for your crew to work. Short power connection right at the stern. Very nice and easy. By the way, this boat, guys, has a capacity of 49 passengers on the main deck if only the main deck is used. If you're going up to the top deck like we're doing right now, you'll be able to carry a maximum of 44 passengers, which 29 of them can be up on the second deck. Another nice and large open area with plenty of seats and storage. Some more of those universal mounts. We have 2 speakers on the top deck and 1 large subwoofer. This is really a nice place to entertain clients. Isinglass forward. You have that extra rescue ladder, and you had also storage behind some of those couches that I showed you on our way up. This is for some extra safety equipment if you need to. The helm is on the starboard side all the way forward. Really nice view, great visibility from the side right there. You look all the way forward, and then again, you have a large Garmin display to show you all your security cameras are downstairs. This boat can have a capacity again of 49 passengers if it's all on one deck, 44 on that 44 if you're using the top deck, with 29, but also 4 crew total, 2 of which can be on the top deck. So you can really manage this boat well with plenty of crew. Right now, back on the main deck, I'll show you the 2 gates to access the boat. So there's one, actually, so there's 3 total. There's one on the bow, there's one on the port side, and one on the starboard side. So loads of different options to board your clients. I think this platform is really great if you're looking to expand your business and bring it to the next level. You can do sightseeing tours, dolphin tours. It's just really a great place to host events. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this double-decker 43. If you have any questions, feel free to go on our website, ammanufacturing.com. You can fill in a contact form, you can watch some more of those videos, or you can call us directly or send me a text message. Feel free to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you on the water. Bye-bye.